this video, I will show you how to create real estate marketing strategy questionnaire. First, you need to click extension, Coffee form, and then load form template like this. And then after that, you can search real estate marketing strategy. After you found it, just click load selected template like this, and you will get the dashboard, responses, question, and settings tab there. Just refresh the page like this. Then you will click Coffee form and then get a link, and click continue like this, and choose your account, and then click advance and click go to Coffee form like this, and just click allow here and just wait for a second, and you will get some link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this, and now the form is ready to use. But you can also custom, change, edit, or add anything in the form. Like for example, I go to question tab to insert new row, and I use text and just copy the question. And for example, here I use name and check it in the form, it will show like this. Also, you can use another question type. For example, I use email, so the audience can input their email easily like this, because it has a type for usual email. And then for another one, I use phone number here, and don't forget to change the question to like phone number, and it will show like this. And then you can also use text area. This usually used for address because it has a larger field than usual tags like this. So you can choose another one too, like for example date, because it will show you a calendar to pick the date easily like this. For example, you can do it, you can pick the date easily. And then for another example, you can also use radio button here, so the audience can pick one option of them. Like for example here, type, hard, or easy, so they can choose the type of the questionnaire like this. For example, you can use also file, so the audience can upload some data or upload a file into your form like this. For example, check it, and then they just click choose file like that. It's very easy to use. Like for another example, I use e-signature there and use signature question, and then they can use it to put their signature, or they can clear it, they can repeat the new signature. And then you can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like that. And now go to settings tab to change the appearance. For the first one, I want to change my background color like this. You can also pick the color that you want or that you need like that. And for the second one, I want to change the button text color. Just scroll down to check it, the submit button, and it will change instantly. Also, I want to give another example to change the logo. Just copy the link of the logo and put it in the logo ID like this. Just refresh the page and it will update it instantly. And then for another example, I want to change the text color of my form like this, and it will change instantly. For example, I choose purple, but you can choose your own favorite color. And then in the loading message, you can also delete, or you can use your own word. You can use your own sentence too. And then in the title box, you can use HTML, so it will be easier by using htmlonline.com. There you just need to type the title of your form. Like for example, here I use real estate marketing strategy questionnaire like this. Just wait for a second. Or you can use your own title, and then you can even add the style, like for example the alignment, and then bold, italic, underline like this. And then you can also change the color of it and use format. Like for example, I use heading 1 here. After you fix with it, just copy the code of the HTML and then paste it into the title form like this, so it will change like this in the form. It's very easy to use. And now the last one, go to responses tab to see the result of the audience answer. And now you're as an audience, so you need to fill every question there to see the result later. Just fill it by yourself, and then in the end you should click submit button. If you have any question, just comment down below, and the link to add-on is in the description below. If you want to try it now, just try it now.